Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment in Santa Cruz, CA, offers comprehensive boiler services tailored to meet the needs of both residential and commercial clients. Our experienced technicians specialize in the maintenance, repair, and installation of various types of boilers, ensuring optimal performance and energy efficiency. Whether you need immediate assistance or are looking to schedule routine maintenance, our team is ready to ensure your heating system runs smoothly year-round. Call our boiler service team if you have any questions. Are you looking for boiler service near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What are the signs that my boiler needs repair? Common signs include unusual noises, a drop in heating performance, uneven heating in your home, higher energy bills, or water leakage around the boiler. If you notice any of these issues, it's important to contact a professional for an inspection. Can I upgrade my current boiler to a more energy-efficient model? Yes, upgrading to a newer, energy-efficient boiler can significantly reduce your energy bills and improve heating performance. A professional can help you choose the right model based on your home's needs and handle the installation process. What is your service area for Santa Cruz, California? Our boiler service has helped clients in Santa Cruz, Boulder Creek, Ben Lomond, Swanton, Day Valley, Davenport, Scotts Valley, Pasatiempo, Corralitos, Freedom, Brookdale, Bonnie Doon, Lompico, Sayant, Olympia, Felton, California. Where is your Santa Cruz, California boiler service office located? We are located at 325 Soquel Avenue B17, Santa Cruz, California 95062. Our phone number is 831-610-0427. Visit our website, www.santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Soquel-Santa-Cruz-Plumbing-Draining-Water-Heater-Repair.